Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis in real time. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD and if you look at the 4-hour chart, and if, as I mentioned in my previous analysis, if you haven't seen my previous analysis videos, the link is given in the video description. So we had this breakout long trade here, and we were still expecting possibility of pullback, and if the price gonna break this support, then possibility of short trade here. So let me share with you guys how we taken this long trade, bank beautiful pip, and we have also had a short trade here. And if I show you how I analyze the market. Okay, so this is the analysis in the London morning session. We have this move, and after this breakout, beautiful. Technically we were expecting a pullback, but the safest way for triangle pattern breakout, beautiful long trade here as soon as the price hit to the previous high, and that's what I explained to my trader, enjoy some profit. And let's wait for the New York session, and that's what I explained to my trader, look for another pullback at this level. As you can see here, explain to pullback, which price nicely develop a pullback. We have another pullback. We have 1, 2 beautiful pullback short trade here. Momentum was bearish, and very good trade, 2 pullback short trade here. Let's see tomorrow if the price is going to respect or break. We'll let you know. All right, let's move into the pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we had price nicely respected previous low. If you look at here, we have another, if I show you here, if I just draw another parallel line to this one, so we have another structure is being developed, you can see here, and the price nicely respected here. So let's see tomorrow if the price is going to respect, then possibility of reversal, and we'll let you know. But today we had beautiful trade. That was the pretty straightforward long trade we had it. That was this London morning session. You can see here price nicely reversed, and explain to my look for pullback if you see the red candle, otherwise breakout long trade here. We haven't seen any red candle, as you can see here, price nicely broken, beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, almost the Bollinger Band, that's what I explained to my traders, time to enjoy some profit. Afterwards, you can see here the market is consolidated. We're still looking this breakout. Price hasn't broken this triangle pattern yet. All right, let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a very good trade, and this we were expecting price broken. We were expecting price gonna break short, but at the market open we had a long trade here, bank few pp's, and afterwards at the London morning, price broken. We were expecting market gonna shoot down. We had a short trade here, came bank few pp's. At the New York session we had a long trade here, so we had a long, short, and long. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market in real time and help my traders to bank beautiful pips on dollar CAD. You can see here that was the trade at the market open, expecting a pullback. If not, if you don't see any pullback, and if the price break and retest, then safest way long trade here. So you can see here at this level, exactly at this level, we haven't seen any pullback, no pullback. So price broken, because the price already broken this one, and after the breakout, price retest and another retest. As soon as the price hit to the previous, another pattern is developed. That's what I explained to my traders, time to enjoy some profit. And let's see the London open. At the London open, I explained, look for this breakout. So with price, as soon as the price broken the previous low, we have taken a short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, bank beautiful pips. And at the New York session, and if you look at here in 4-hour chart, we have this rejection. So that gives us the information the price is respecting this level. There's a possibility of reversal, and that's why I did another analysis. As you can see at the New York session, we had a beautiful breakout, long trade here, and bank amazing profit on dollar CAD. The best trade we had, that was the yen pair, all the yen pair, beautiful. Let me share with you the pound yen, because we were watching this breakout, price nicely broken. We had this beautiful breakout, and we have keep taking up pullbacks. Really enjoyed it. Most of the traders bank amazing profit on dollar yen. Okay, so if you look at this this analysis at the market open, Explain to my trader, look for pullback. If not, if the price pull back and retest, then we're taking a long trade here. As you can see here, we haven't seen any pullback, market broken and retest. I said to my trader, now if the price gonna break, then keep taking a pullback. So we had beautiful pips at the London morning session just before London open. Bank beautiful pips. And at the London morning session, explained to my trader, look for another pullback at this level. So one market already broken here, and after that you can see at exactly this level, price nicely developed pullback, broken here, pullback, and explain all these pullbacks. Our target was at this level, which price nicely hit that profit target. Once we banked some profit, then we said, okay guys, there's a possibility of reversal. As you can see here, price developed a double top, low is broken, price broken and retest. So safest trade, look for this breakout short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the support level, explain to my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see guys how we analyze market in 4 hour and how we analyze market in intraday and refine entries and exit and banking pips every single day. But as always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling in Forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill real time with a live market through live intraday analysis with a live audio commentary support. Once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train with a live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description, so most welcome. Or even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.